It looks like a snakes and ladders game. Wondering what? It's the movement of gold and silver over the past couple of weeks. Namaste. Over the past few weeks, gold and silver zoomed to new highs but then fell sharply. This phenomenon was seen once every 2 days over the past 10 days or so. Wondering what's happening? Let's go straight to Mr. Aamir Makda, Commodity and Currency Analyst, Choice Broking. Welcome to Trending Commodity Pick Show, Mr. Makda. Now, how do you read the current volatile movements in precious metals?
Hello everyone. Bullions were on the smooth bull run until the nomination announcement of Kevin Walsh as a Fed chairman. Market view Walsh as a inflation hawk who can favor the stronger US dollar. And this has reversed the debasement trend that drove the 2025 rally in gold and silver. After this announcement, we have seen a reversal in dollar index, and dollar index has pushed to $97 currently. Recently, it had tried to touch $98 also. So, if the dollar index continue to climb, metal will remain under pressure. If we analyze the open interest levels also in the current contract of M6 of gold and silver, we haven't observed any significant rise in open interest level along with the price rise. This actually shows that there is no long build-ups with respect to expiry, and because of there is no long positions in the support of the price rise. Price has fallen to the record crash with the impact of single news. So if we see the levels, if I talk about COMEX and MCX levels of gold and silver, firstly I will mention about the COMEX level. For gold, support would be at 50 DEMA level, which is at 45.89, and next support would be at $4,300. For resistance, it will be like 50.91, $591. For silver, the next support would be at $67. If the price continue to fall below this level and if price didn't sustain this level, we may expect further fall towards $52. And if I mention the resistance about COMEX silver, it would be like 85 and $95. So if I summarize about these levels to MCX perspective, immediate support for the gold price would be at 1,42,000. If the price fall below this level, we may expect further fall towards a 100 DEMA level, daily exponential moving average level, which is at 1,32,400. Upside resistance would be at 1,50,000, 1,55,000. We may expect some selling pressure from these levels.
And what are the other factors that are influencing gold and silver?
See, there are many factors which are influencing gold and silver. Some factors are in the positive biasness, some sector having a negative biasness. If I say one by one, like recently we have seen there is a reduction in the tension between US-Iran. We are seeing that there is some tangible solution which is coming up in terms of Russia and Ukraine. Also, World Gold Council recently reports that the total gold demand in last year, 2025, it exceeded to 5,000 tons. Furthermore, central banks has posted 860. Banks has purchased around 863 tons in gold last year. And if we see the current data of Chinese bank, they are still purchasing around 27 tons per month in 2026 also. So these are the factors which are combinedly affecting the gold and silver price. If I speak specifically about silver production has continued to lag behind the demand, creating that continuous structural deficit in silver. Projections for the 2026 would be like 1.2 billion ounce supply deficit against the nearly demand of 1.5 to 1.6 billion ounce. So there is a structural demand deficit which is going ahead in the silver also. If I speak about the inventory levels, a significant decrease is seen in COMEX inventories from 346 million ounce in 2020. We now inventory levels has decreased to 82 million ounce, which is like a 75% decline in overall inventories. So these are the factors which are influencing gold and silver prices overall.
Mr. Makda, how do you see the market shaping up for gold and silver in the coming days?
In our point of view, bullions are shifting from speculative mania to stabilization and accumulation. Recent price fall should be seen as a liquidity flush rather than the change in the bull market sentiment or bull market direction. If we see the bull case of the gold and silver, despite of the recent sell-off, sentiments are still bullish due to factors like de-dollarization and industrial deficit. Major international banks are still chasing level of $5,500 to $66,000 in gold. So here traders should have shift in strategy. I mean, they can rather chasing. Uh, this is not a time to, this is a right time to accumulate the gold and silver. So traders should keep an eye on support levels and should go for the buy on dips opportunity.
Do you think the precious metals are overbought?
No, in my point of view, right now, precious metals, gold and silver, both are not in the overbought zone. If we see earlier momentum when the price reached to its all-time high, we have seen that RSI levels, the momentum indicator has reached to 90, is reached to 90. Both momentum indicator in gold and silver are trailing above 90, and which shows that there is a overbought condition. But after recent fall, recent correction, we have seen that the momentum indicator RSI levels has fallen to 55 level, 55 to 60 level. So right now, precious metals are not suffering from the overbought dilemma. But right now, it's a right time to do accumulation, right time to go for buy on dips opportunities.
Thank you very much, Mr. Makda, for your very insightful views. We hope our viewers have benefited from these. Until we meet in our next episode, be happy and keep smiling. This is Subramani Mankombu signing off. Good luck.